Let's crack these questions 16 and 17 of our Quantitative Reasoning Digest series. Now, we have two samples, and let's look at the numbers and see how they relate. We have 2, we have 1, and 5. I have 3, 2, and 11. If you are familiar with numbers, which is what we preach, I preach that children should be familiar with numbers. And how do you get familiar with numbers? It's by mastering your multiplication. Once you master your multiplication, numbers become a plaything for you. Once you see numbers, you can tell. All right. So let's look at these. We have 2, 1, and 5. So once I see these, something tells me multiply this by 2. Add this. You get this. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2, 8. That did not go. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2, 8. It did not go. So, what else do I think of? I know that 2 raised to power 2 is 4. There are clues to this thing once you look at it very closely. Now, I look at 2. I also know, apart from doing 2 times 2 plus 1, that was just multiplication, but in this case I'm using 2 times 2 as a power. So I know 2 raised to power 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. I'm still playing with 2 and 1 because I know there is an intimate relationship between 2, 1, and 5. So I'm exploring different ways I can get that. First, I just tried the direct multiplication, which is 2 times 2 plus 1. But when I tried that here, 3 times 2, that was me using 2 as an external number. 3 times 2, 6 plus 2, it did not give me. So I still want to play with these 2, 1, and 5. So I am saying, okay, let me do 2 raised to power. 2 raised to power 2 will give me 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now, instead of me to do 3 times 2 in this case, I'm doing 3 raised to power 2. So 3 raised to power 2 is 3 times 3, which is 9. 9 plus 2, 11. I've got it. Some of these quantitative problems are very simple. You just have to look at it very closely and the logic is going to unveil itself. So we've gotten the logic. It's for us to label A, B, C. Labeling is very important. So you'll be able to write the formula for it. You use the logic you've discovered and form a formula. And with that formula, you can get all the legs by using your change of subject of formula. All right, so we have what this is A square plus B is equal to C. So this is the formula for C. A square plus B equal to C. Now, we go to our question number 16. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Oh, we are lucky. We are looking for C in this case, and we have the formula for C. So A square is what? A is 6. So we say 6 square plus B is 4 plus 4, and that will give us C. So 6 square is equal to 36. 6 square is 6 times 6. 36 plus 4. 36 plus 4 is 40. We go to the options. 40 is option C, and that is correct. Now, in number 17, you are looking for A, B, and C. I will quickly find the formula for A. So you use it and substitute the figures and get your answer and show us what it is in the comment section. So we are looking for A. I quickly use this formula to see how I can get the formula for A. A squared plus B is equal to C. So if I'm looking for A, it's for me to make A squared the subject of this formula. So A squared is equal to C. This plus B will move to this other side and it becomes minus B. Because I'm not looking for A square, I'm looking for A. So my A is equal to this square will make me to find the square root of the opposite side. So A is equal to the square root of C minus B. That is the formula for A. A is equal to the square root of C minus B. Substitute these numbers into this formula and tell us what your answer is in the comment section. Thank you.